Crude oil once again traded bearish yesterday. We have seen it reversing from the highs at 71. I have mentioned why 71, 71.2 is a greater resistance precisely beautifully. Hitting the zone, it has reversed sharply and it has hit the lows at 68.5. While likewise with net gas, I have mentioned why 2.38 is a greater resistance. It is precisely, this is a triple top it has formed and has reversed sharply. So can we say that now more bearishness will prevail today? Can we say more drop ahead for oil and gas, or there is a possibility of a recovery and a reversal? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading oil and gas today? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day specifically for crude oil and nat gas. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into crude oil, followed with net gas. See oil on the hourly charts. What we had discussed, drop retracement, drop retracement, drop retracement, and see hitting the highs here, it is reverse sharp, and we have seen it delivering lower lows. Now see, every move has an important, you can see that it is trying to create this channel. Where are the highs of this channel now? Around 70.5, 70.6 levels for the day. In fact, even if you see it is staying above 69.3, 69.6 zone, you can initiate a buying entry. Expect 70, 70.6 and 71 levels. 70.6 should be a greater resistance for the day. Moving averages are bearish here. Stochastic at top, MACD rising, RSI is comfortable here. It has come out of the oversold zone. See, we had discussed that oil is trading oversold, possibility of a recovery exists. It has moved towards 71 before taking a reversal. Now look at the 2 hour charts here also. Stronger rise and a sharper decline, and now see the retracement candles are very small, and now it is trying to take a direction again. This could be the first bearish candle. I will wait for the next one. And once you see it is staying below 68.5, you can say, see 68.5, 68.4, you should watch out for. Below this, you can say more bearishness will prevail, and then you can look forward to 68, 67.65 as the next target, and then 67.23 levels will come into picture. Right now I can see that the prices are trading with little divergence from the moving average, hence a little recovery towards 69.5, 60 and 70 zone cannot be denied. If you see the price is staying above 69.2, 69.3 zone, you can initiate a buying entry there. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI coming out of the oversold zone. So indicators are just trying to cool down. I will not say that cool down a bit, but yes, indicators are trying to come back to comfortable zone before it takes a direction, and that is what we call a retracement. Yes, the movement is right now getting diminished. If you see the price is above 69.2, 69.3, certainly we can look forward to a little retracement towards 69.6, 70, and then 70.5, 70.6 zone. The stochastic oversold trying to recover. MACD is trying to converge crossover. See, it has seen a good sharp dip here. It can cross over for a little retracement. Possibility exists is strong. Last few times, whenever we have seen oil coming to this zone, and see it is also delivering waves, lower highs, lower lows. Possibility of a recovery exists. RSI coming out of the oversold zone here. Coming to 4 hour. On the 4 hour chart, similar observation here. See flat bottom, lower highs, lower lows, and thus a little recovery is what you can expect at least. Even if it has to drop, it can hit the highs before reversing. Every move has a meaning here. On the downside, right now it is trading with slight bearish bias. On the downside, below 68.5 levels, yes, more bearishness will definitely be there. Stochastic oversold trying to recover. MACD has seen good enough bearishness trying to converge crossover. RSI is still sitting at the bottom. Coming to daily. On the daily chart, see most importantly, we are seeing lower lows, lower highs here, trying to create a base channel on its own. And right now it is also trading outside Bollinger Bands and a very good support. So it appears that oil was on a mission. It has hit the lows. Also, this is almost 8 months. These were the levels we have seen in oil last December, and it has come down to the same zone. Definitely, you can see greater support is seen at around these levels. You can see this, and below 67, 68 is where 64, 65 will come into picture. Right now, you can see on the monthly charts it is looking downwards. But let's come back to the daily charts. On the daily charts, I can see there is a good support here. Possibility of a retracement, possibility of a greener candle like just today. However, you have to be cautious till towards 75, 70.5, 70.6, and then 71 levels. So only buying entry today I will recommend is at 69.2 levels. That is very clear. Yes, it is oversold, but look at the MACD. This is still trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI has dropped as well. Looking at this, very simple, sell at only 68.4, 68.5 zone, expect 68, 67.63 and 67.2 levels is the next targets below which you can say more bearishness is going to prevail in crude oil, where we can look forward to a greater correction. On the upside, I will recommend you to buy here at 69.2, 69.3. Expect it to move towards 69.6, 70.2, 70 zone is the first resistance zone, and then 70.6 the second one. Breaking beyond which you can expect 71, and if it stays above 71, 71.2, stay bullish. 72, see 71.5 is also one of the milestones, but largely 72.4 should be seen, chances for which appears to be very, very less. Take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at natural gas. And yes, before we proceed, if you have not joined my Signals channel, do join the Signals channel. We trade diverse instruments, including indices and commodities, in a single channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker where you can trade all the global instruments and commodities and indices, crypto, and in fact currency. So all the instruments from across the globe are available, and the broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges. You can also find the recommended broker link in the channel and video. It is very important to have a broker which offers you a safer environment to trade, which offers you easier transactions and withdrawals without any hesitation. Do join the broker and enjoy trading. Now look at the hourly charts for net gas. See, net gas, just connect the dots here. You will find, look at 2.18 to 2.38. I have mentioned several times why 2.38. It is a triple top level. It is formed. It has failed to break beyond 2.4 this time. But yes, certainly hitting the highs it has retraced. Now the median right now here is at 2.28 level. So once again, if you see net gas trading about 2.28 and 2.3 zone, you can say that the bulls will take over here. Right now, we can see the movement is slightly skewed on the downside, but I can also see a very, very good support here on the downside till towards 2.25. So any drop below 2.25 is a sign that you can take a selling entry. But then also, I will say this is going to be a bit riskier as long as 2.2 levels are not taken today. Stochastic is retest, trading comfortable. MACD bearish, RSI flat. Coming to 2 hour charts, if you look at 2 hour charts here, see this, connect the dots here, connect the dots here, almost a very good bullish channel. And right now the prices are consolidating. I'll say you have to be very careful here in the sells. Yes, 2.25, 2.24 you can take a sell, but then 2.2 to 2.2 and then 2.18. Three levels here, gas need to break in order to trade bearish, turn bearish. Stochastic here is at oversold zone. MACD trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI almost flat. Coming to 3 hour chart, on the 3 hour charts, we can see similar observation here. Reversal sign is also seen after a bit of retracement, but I can see it getting support here. So we have to wait here. We have to wait here for it to take a direction 2.25, 2.24 zone, below which certainly little bearishness may prevail, but then 2.2 to 2.2, 2.18 zone will come into picture. While on the upside is staying about 2.28, you can initiate a buying entry, expect it to move towards 2.3, 2.325, 2.35 and 2.38. Beyond that, 2.45, 2.5 levels I'll be looking forward to very, very soon. Stochastic oversold. Look at MACD crossed over here at the top. It is trading with divergence, is staying bearish, looking downwards, and this could deliver a bearish wave here. Let's wait for a couple of more candles for it to take a direction. RSI looking downwards here. Coming to 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour chart, see reversal sign, or you can see a sign which is confirmation of further continuation of the momentum what we had seen previously, and see increasing body size. So it appears that gas might try to trade with slight bearishness, but again I do not see much downside here. Even if it tries to break, see 2.2 levels, 2.18 levels, I do not see it breaking, and then if not today, soon we can see it bouncing back or recovering again. Stochastic oversold. MACD has crossed over here, trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. And see, after a good bullish move, it is now trying to retrace a little. Thus, possibility of a slight bearishness cannot be denied before it looks over to recovery. RSI looking downwards. Coming to on the daily chart, see 2.38, triple top levels, a reversal here, series of bullish candles we have seen, and now it is trying to reverse. Now this zone has become critical for net gas to breach past, by it appears a greater resistance exists here. But also you should notice that right now what you are looking at is higher lows, higher highs. Support level for net gas on the downside till 2.2, 2.18 are very, very strong. A drop below 2.18 is the only confirmation of bearishness. stochastic overbought, trying to cool down while the MACD has still scope for further rise. It has just crossed over and it appears there is lot much of room on the upside. Today, the net gas storage data might bring more volatility. So if you see net gas trading at 2.18, 2.2 zone today, initiate a buying entry there before the storage data, and possibly we could look forward to recovery towards 2.3, 2.38, and in fact higher levels are also possible. RSI looking downwards. Considering this for the day, very simple. I will recommend you to buy here at 2.28 levels. Expect 2.3, 2.325, 2.35, 2.38, and beyond 2.38, 2.41, 2.45, 2.5 levels. I will look at very soon. On the downside, you can take a selling entry at 2.24. Expect 2.22, 2.2, and 2.18. Only and only if it drops below 2.18, slight bearishness will prevail, else it can recover strongly. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my Signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. See you again before the US session with more data. Thank